If you've ever wrestled with understanding the difference between status and resolution in Jira, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to walk you through an easy way to make sure your Jira issues get the right resolution set automatically, saving you time, minimizing errors, and making your project tracking crystal clear. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to automate this crucial step using a post function in your workflow, and you'll understand exactly why it matters. Let's jump right in. The simplest way to make sure issues are marked with a proper resolution when they reach completion is by using a workflow post function. Think of this like setting up a self-driving car. Once everything's in place, you don't have to manually close issues anymore. Jira handles it for you consistently and accurately. First, head over to your Jira settings. Click on the Settings menu, head to Work Items, and from there select Workflows. This is where all the blueprints for how your issues move from creation to completion live. It might look a little intimidating at first, but just remember, this is where you get full control over how your project operates. Next, find the workflow that's associated with the project you want to automate. You'll see a list of all your workflows, so take a moment to check you've got the right one. Once you've found it, look over to the Actions menu and click Edit. Don't worry, editing here doesn't mean you'll break your project. You're just opening a safe workspace to adjust how Jira does its job. Now let's focus on the specific moment you want automation to happen. You're looking for the transition arrow that points to your done status. This could be labeled done, closed, resolved, or something similar. A transition is basically the path Jira issues follow as you move them through different statuses. Imagine a to-do card moving from in progress to completed on a physical board. This arrow represents that leap. Click on that transition arrow. A panel will open with all the details just for this transition. Here, where you add the magic touch, look for the Add button under Rules. Rules are your way of telling Jira exactly what to do and when. Choose Perform Action and then Update an Issue field. This step is vital. It's where you define what specifically needs to change about the issue automatically. Now in the Update this field, drop down Find Resolution. This is where the system will set the outcome of the issue as soon as it reaches this final status. You'll see options like Done, Fixed, or Won't Do. Pick the resolution that makes the most sense for your team's workflow. Often, it's simply Done. Setting this here ensures nothing slips through the cracks and every completed issue has a clear final state. If you ever run reports or create dashboards in Jira, this will make those tools much more useful because issues won't be left open-ended. Finally, make sure you hit Add and then Update Workflow to save your changes. It's a quick tap, but it's important, kind of like pressing save on a big document after you've made a bunch of edits. Once you've done this, your workflow is updated, and from now on, every time someone closes an issue, Jira will automatically set the correct resolution, no extra clicking required. Give it a try on a test issue to see how it works. That's all there is to it. Automating your resolution like this keeps your project clean, your data reliable, and your team happy. If this video helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up and drop your questions or experiences in the comments. I'm always here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Jira tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy automating.